I'm Giselle Kovari.
And I'm Sue Armstrong, and together we're the managing partners of Global Training Transformation. So are you someone who needs to teach and train others? You might be a subject matter expert who knows a lot about a particular topic, or maybe a professional speaker who gets called on to do workshops. You might even be someone who is called on for knowledge transfer in your organization, meaning you have a specific body of knowledge or expertise, and you're required to train others on brand, on protocol, on policies, or standard operating procedure. Or you might be new to the learning and development role. Whatever role you're in, we want to help you improve how your content is designed and delivered so you can be more impactful and successful in your training. We want to leverage our success in running global training companies to help you convert your expertise into high-impact training programs.
Absolutely. This is a fundamentals program, and we hope that you find it fun to go through. We're going to provide you with those foundational and fundamental skills you require to design and deliver high-impact training sessions. We're going to go through all the essentials that are needed in order to be most successful. This is a very easy-to-use program where we're going to provide you with concrete tips and techniques that you can apply right away to designing your training. There are 7 modules in our program, broken up into mini sections using microlearning. There is a workbook for you to download and follow along as we complete our activities. And as you're going through this program, we're going to ask you to pause and complete application activities, as well as complete a Building Your Training Program worksheet.